Hello students, in this video we will start exercise 9.3 के पहले के concepts and examples. So 9.3 exercise के theorems जो इसमें given है वो start करने से पहले let's understand what is an arc. ठीक है, so let's say this is a circle and I have drawn a chord PQ on the circle. Okay, so if you see, then the chord PQ divides the circumference of the circle in two parts. One is this area, this line segment, and the other is this, right? So the smaller one, the smaller segment of the PQ is called minor arc, and the larger one is called a major arc. Okay, now the angle subtended by an arc को कैसे बोलेंगे? Let's say this is the center, and if I draw if I join the center to these 2 points of the arc, let's erase the chord, okay, and let's join the circle to the center on its 2 points on the minor arc. Then this is the angle subtended by this arc at center, and if I join any point on the circle with these 2 points, then also this will be known as the angle subtended by the chord PQ at point E, let's say. Okay, so this is the basic terminology that we are going to use throughout the chapter or the exercise. ठीक है, सो सबसे पहले हम थ्योरम 9.7 पढ़ते हैं. सो व्हाट डज इट से? It says the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. ठीक है, so he is saying that let's say this is the circle and let's say this is the center. This PQ divides the circle into two arcs. One is minor and one is major. Let's consider the minor one. So he says that the angle subtended at the center, that is this angle POQ, is equal to 2 times the angle that this arc subtends at any other point on the circle. Let's say this is point A, then this angle, then it says that angle POQ is 2 times angle PAQ. ठीक है, this is what the theorem is saying. So इसको हम कैसे prove कर सकते हैं? Let's join A to B, A through O to till B. Okay, we have joined this. Now we know that angle BOQ is equal to angle BAQ or OAQ plus angle AQO. So if you consider this triangle, this line and this triangle, then this angle, the outer angle, the BOQ will be sum of the two interior angles. ठीक है, similarly in this side also we can say the same thing, that angle BOP is sum of angle OAP plus angle APO. ठीक है, if you add then you will get BOQ plus angle BOP is equal to, once we are adding this we will get is equal to angle OAQ plus angle AQO plus angle OAP plus angle APO. ठीक है, now you know that the angle BOQ is 2 times angle OAQ. How? Because OA is equal to OQ, और जो opposite sides equal sides के opposite angles होते हैं वो भी equal होते हैं. So OAQ is equal to AQO. So I can write it as 2 times OAQ. ठीक है, similarly इसमें भी we can write it as 2 times OAP. So 2 we will take out and we will say that it is sum of angle OAQ plus 2 times angle OAP, sorry, 1 time angle OAP. Now OAQ and OAP forms angle A, or you can say that PAQ. So BOQ and BOP also forms the angle POQ. So hence the angle subtended by an arc at the center is 2 times the angle subtended by the arc at any other point on the circle. Similarly, theorem 9.8 then states that angles in the same segment of the circle are equal. Okay, so what does this theorem means? This theorem states that if I have a circle, okay, and this is the arc PQ, देन सेम सेगमेंट, सो दिस इज कि वो दोनों एंगल्स जो हैं वो मेजर सेगमेंट में बना रहा है. सो एनी एंगल formed by this arc at any point on the circle but between P and Q on the major arc will be equal. ठीक है. Then theorem 9.9 says that if a line segment joining two points subtends equal angles at two other points on the same side of the line containing the line segment, the 4 points lie on a circle. So what does he saying? That if you have a circle, you have an arc AB here, okay, and if arc AB subtends a circle at angle at point C and then subtends another angle at point D, okay, then all of these 4 points will lie on a circle. Now ये हमने पहले सर्कल ड्रॉ कर लिया, बट वट ही मेंट टू से वॉज दैट दिस इज अ लाइन सेगमेंट ए बी, ओके, एंड इफ दिस इज वन एंगल that is subtended by AB at any random point C and this is other angle which is subtended by AB at any random point D, then these 4 points can be drawn on the same circle. This is what theorem 9.9 means, okay. Then moving on to next theorem, 9.10 and 9.11 are each other's converse. So these theorems states that sum of either pair of opposite angles on a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. ठीक है. Basically if you have a circle and if you have this quadrilateral on a circle, that is all 4 points on the circle are lie on the circle, okay. If the quadrilateral lie on the circle, then sum of either pair of opposite angles of a quadrilateral is 90 degrees. This plus this will be 180 and this will be 180 degrees. ठीक है. opposite angles का sum क्या होगा? 180 degrees, okay. And similarly अगर sum is 180 degrees of a quadrilateral, then the quadrilateral will lie on the सर्कल. ठीक है. सो इसी के साथ विल स्टार्ट विद एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2. सो इसमें आपको दिया है फिगर 9.19 where AB is the diameter of the circle. So let's start with drawing a figure. Let's say this is the center. Then AB is the diameter of the circle. CD is a chord equal to the radius of the circle. So there is this chord which is given to you CD, but the length of CD is equal to radius of the circle. So basically CD is equal to half of AB. ठीक है. And equal to the AC and BD when extended. So we have extended AC. When we joined AC, we extended the AC, and then again we extended BD. When we extended BD, it intersects at point E. So this is your point E. We have to prove that this angle is 60 degrees. ठीक है. We have to prove that this angle is 60 degrees. Now we know that triangle. Now what we will going to do, we will join the line OC, okay, we will join the line OD and then we will join the line BC as well. ये हमने कंस्ट्रक्शन अपनी तरफ से किया. ठीक है. So now in triangle ODC, what is saying that this is an equilateral triangle because CD का length is also equal to radius, OD is also radius and OC is also radius. So all three sides of the triangle are equal. So from there we have said that angle COD is 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. ठीक है. And we know that angle CBD is 1/2 of angle COD. How do we know this? CBD is this angle, okay. CBD is an angle subtended on the any point on a circle, okay. And COD is angle subtended at the center. So we know जो angle center पे एक arc subtend करती है, that is 2 times the angle subtended at any other point. ठीक है. So angle COD is 2 times angle CBD. So hence angle CBD will be 30 degrees. ठीक है. So this angle is 30 degrees. ठीक है. Now angle ACB is 90 degrees. Why? ये भी हमने अभी पढ़ा कि जब आपकी आर्क डायामीटर पे हो और वो कहीं पे भी एक एंगल सबटेंड करे, दैट विल बी 90 डिग्रीज. ठीक है. अगर आप यहाँ पे ये वाला एग्जाम्पल ध्यान से देखेंगे, ये वाला जो आपको थ्योरम गिवन था, यहाँ पे अगर आप ध्यान से देखेंगे, यहाँ पे थ्योरम 9.8 में, बिकॉज केस 2 में जो डायमीटर हमने कंसिडर किया था आर्क, दैट वाज द डायमीटर ऑफ द सर्कल. इट्स सम इश्यू विद एनसीईआरटी पीडीएफ्स. सो द डायमीटर ऑफ द सर्कल जो हमने कंसिडर किया था इन केस 2, सो यहाँ पे जो एंगल हमने फिर बनाया बाद में, दैट वाज कमिंग आउट टू बी 90 डिग्रीज. ठीक है. सो फ्रॉम देयर वी नो दैट द एंगल ACB is 90 degrees. ठीक है. Then moving on, angle BCE then will be, what will be the angle BCE? Okay, that is also will be 90 degrees because these two form a linear pair. ठीक है. So we know this angle is 90 degrees, we know this angle is 30 degrees. So by angle sum property, we will find the value of angle CEB, which will come out to be 60 degrees. And since CEB is nothing but angle EEB, then we have proved